In this video, we will be continuing algebra from geometry. As always, the algebra comes from the geometry of the problem. Angle BAC is a right angle, meaning that it is 90 degrees. Also, the ratio of angle BAD to angle DAC is 4:1. Now, you might be tempted to say that's x and that's 4x, until you get to the next set of stipulations and you see angle BAD is 3x plus 2y and angle DAC is x plus y. So that is two different variables. So we cannot just put one variable in here. So what we're going to do here, we're going to say angle BAD is 3x plus 2y and angle DAC is x plus y. So now what we can do from there, 3x plus 2y plus x plus y equals 90. Now we also know that 3x plus 2y equals 4 times x plus y, because angle BAD is 4 times angle DAC. So now let's get this in the form where we can do elimination. 3x plus x is 4x. 2y plus y is 3y equals 90. Now here, 3x plus 2y equals 4x plus 4y. So bringing that over, negative x, and bringing that over, minus 2y equals 0. So now the easiest way to do these is elimination generally. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to multiply the second equation by 4. So then 4x plus 3y equals 90, and then negative 4x minus 8y equals 0. And now we're going to add the two equations. So 4x minus 4x is 0. 3y minus 8y is negative 5y equals 90. So then y equals negative 18. Now that we have y, let's plug it back to this first equation. So 4x plus 3 times negative 18 equals 90. 4x minus 3 minus 54 equals 90. Then 4x equals 144. Now we're going to divide by 4, and that gets us x equals 36. So we've got y equals negative 18 and x equals 36. Now, one thing to remember when it's a longer problem like this, you might have made a mistake. So the other thing you can do, I'm going to do this in red, is plug y equals 18 into the second equation here. So then negative x minus 2 times negative 18 equals 0, or negative x plus 36 equals 0, or x equals 36. That is a good check to see if we did it right. Then I'm going to do this part in green. We're going to plug it back into here. So x plus y, 36 minus 18 is 18 degrees. And then up here, 3 times 36 is 108, minus 2 times 18, so that's 36. 108 minus 36 is 72 degrees. 72 plus 18 is 90, and that is another good check. Again, so remember on these also that even though y is negative 18, it's still valid. X is positive, that is valid. You just cannot have a negative angle measure or a negative length of a segment.